Okay, what is it saying? This
Learn to fish.
learn to fish.
Hmm.
Okay, caution bear in area. So we're waiting for the bear to come out, but
He's in
hiber
hibernation now.
hibernation. No, during winter time he's hibernating,
Oh
but
yeah, it's
during this
spring now.
time, during this time they're coming out maybe. Okay, learn to fish. May 3rd and May 24th. Okay, alright, and we are going back to
Following the trail, going back
the
to the fishing
trail,
sites.
to the fishing area, to this what do you call the ramp, fishing ramp. Okay, there are more people coming now. Okay, how are you there, dear?
I'm good.
Good. Okay.
Finished.